West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today announced to contest the upcoming polls from Nandigram Assembly constituency seat. The seat was earlier held by former Trinamool heavyweight Suvendu Adhikari till December last year when he resigned from the assembly and switched to the BJP. Addressing a huge public rally at Tekhali in Nandigram, Banerjee said that Nandigram is close to my heart. I can't forget my name, but I cannot forget Nandigram. Considering the emotional attachment I have with the people of Nandigram, today I am announcing that I wish to contest the upcoming polls from Nandigram. Hours after TMC chief Mamata Banerjee announced to contest upcoming polls from Nandigram, Suvendu Adhikari, the BJP political heavyweight from the region, attacked her for remembering Nandigram only during polls. Mamata has remembered Nandigram only during elections. What has she done for the region? This place will never forgive her. You, your corrupt nephew and your private limited can make announcements, but you will lose Nandigram by over 500,000 votes or else I will quit politics, whether it be me or anyone whom the BJP chooses to contest from Nandigram will beat Mamata Banerjee by over 500,000 votes, Adhikari said at his rally. After it was reported by various media outlets that a 46-year-old health worker had allegedly died a day after receiving coronavirus vaccination, the health ministry said on Monday that the news was fake. It was reported that Mahipal, working as a ward boy in the surgical ward of the state-run Deen Dayal Upadhyay Hospital in Moradabad, died on Sunday night. PTI said a high-level inquiry has been ordered, according to Moradabad District Magistrate Rakesh Singh. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Milind Chandra Garg told PTI that the cause of death was a cardiac problem. He said deceased Mahipal's heart was found enlarged and it had blood clots according to postmortem report. The Supreme Court said on Monday that the entry of protesting farmers into Delhi on Republic Day has to be decided by Delhi police due to it being a law and order issue. The Apex Court was hearing a plea seeking an injunction against the proposed tractor rally on January 26th. The top court said, "We said this last time that entry to Delhi has to be seen under Delhi police, who should not be allowed, and the number of people who can enter are all the matters of law and order to be dealt with by the police." Amid reports that China has made constructions in Arunachal Pradesh, the Ministry of External Affairs has said in a statement that India has kept a constant watch on all developments having a bearing on India's security and has stepped up border infrastructure, including the construction of roads and bridges. The Ministry of External Affairs said in a statement, "We have seen recent reports on China undertaking construction work along the border areas with India. China has undertaken such infrastructure construction activity in the past several years." The statement said that the government keeps a constant watch on all the developments having a bearing on India's security and takes all the necessary measures to safeguard its sovereignty and territorial integrity.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.